What book you reading?
Windows Mixed Reality Programming by Sean Ong. It's kind of the book if you want to program on the HoloLens. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I've been learning a lot.
Hey man, do you know when Eric's gonna get back from Miami?
Miami?
Yeah, dude. He's in Miami. Whoa, he's back!
Whoa.
I made it from Miami. I came here to do two things, boys. Chew bubblegum and test Magic Leap. And I'm all out of bubblegum. You ready to check this bad boy out?
Oh yeah, dude. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
So I bet you guys are wondering where the duct tape came from. Well, Rony really didn't want me losing this thing. Hardest part was getting through security. I mean, try to explain what's in here. I have to say, if I show you, you have to sign an NDA. It was a whole mess. Anyways, you want to see what's in here?
Oh yeah.
We can get down there. Reaction shot, man. You gotta get our faces, reaction, get down on the ground like it's blowing our minds. Yep, just like that. You got us? All right, here, yes, us reacting to the Magic Leap for the first time. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Holy. Can you believe that? You gotta come check this thing out.
All
Holy
right.
crap.
It's beautiful.
Whoa, dude.
The design.
The attention to detail.
Bex, I can't even imagine what this thing's capable of. We gotta try this out. Look, I mean, I thought the pucks were gonna be a big deal, but they don't look like they get in the way at all. Let's try this thing out. I mean, can we cut the tape off my hand first?
Yeah, I got a knife. I'll go get it.
You got a knife? Help! Oh, you got a knife?
Yeah.
Oh, thank
I thought you were gonna go for it.
I'm really sorry, Erik.
Come on, man.
Careful.
Just get in there. Trusty Mora. Ooh, the cold steel against my body.
Oh my god.
Ah! Oh man, that was a long trip. It's been like 3 days in that thing. All right, let's try this bad boy out. Worst part was I couldn't put my coat on because I put this on and then I realized I'm going to Utah where it's all snowy. But we're here now. Let's do it.
Did you get any weird looks at the airport?
Security was impossible, man.
How did you go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
I told the freaking security, I was like, if I show you, you're gonna have to sign an NDA. That's why we haven't been able to release any videos. Now that we got my hand free from the duct tape, let's go ahead and rock into the Magic Leap 1 Developers Edition. Version 1, probably, because it's the Magic Leap 1.
So I'm gonna hold the device here and show it to you all. Its build quality is amazing. It's such a beautiful device. We've got some very interesting sensors right here. Something like I've never seen. What do you think that's for, Erik?
This?
Yeah.
Probably detecting photons in other dimensions. Like
Interesting.
4 dimensions. They say this is a 4D device, so to access that 4th dimension, you need the 2 prongs.
These look like 2 Wi-Fi antennas.
I mean, to you, someone that's not tech knowledgeable like you, that's might be what it appears to be, but that's not exactly what it is.
Yeah, that's a very naive explanation
we'll
for
go
what
with
is
we'll
on
go
this
with the
device.
2
All right, let's move over to the other side. This looks like RAM.
Yeah.
1,008 gigs of RAM, it says right here. That's insane. 1,008. Did you get a close-up on that right there? Yeah, so look, read right here. 1 GB, 1 RX8 PC3, 8,500 U. That's a lot of U's.
Yeah. And
1,008 right there. That's where you want to look. That's where it says how many gigs of RAM it is. So you heard it here first. Magic Leap 1 has 1,008. That's insane. I wonder why they picked the
I've
8.
never seen something with that much RAM on it.
Especially on a
that is
headset.
Incredible.
I think it's actually 1 gigabyte of RAM.
I think that
That's
you're a hater.
1 gigabit. Bit is different than byte.
A lot of people have been asking questions about why the lenses are red, and we found out that that's because of the light field display. I guess it has to go through a red filter.
Ultraviolet light, you can see like in dark, in light, you can zoom in like binoculars.
So you
and it needs to be
basically
the
can
red.
see anything?
It basically allows you to access everything you want in the world. It changes everything.
There's a rumor that you can see X-ray, like you can see through stuff. All right, let's keep moving
It
on.
literally changes our constructs of what vision is.
And I'm really surprised because they said this was just an art project, and this looks way more than an art project
Yeah,
to
this
me.
looks like a full-fledged device.
I mean, it does not look like someone just sat down and threw this together in 5 minutes. I mean, it definitely looks like someone spent 8 years and $3 billion in funding to do this.
Yeah.
That was a little harsh.
So, these cords are interesting. I wasn't really expecting cords, especially looking at all the I/O we already have. So that's really interesting. So we have what looks like almost
AWM80C cable? I don't know, probably something
whatever
we
it
don't
does,
know.
and it looks like it hooks up to some sort of computational device.
Rumors say that Magic Leap has been designing all of their stuff in-house. This could have lots of different stuff on it, all patented by them, created by them, singly developed by Magic Leap. It looks like there's a raspberry or something. I don't know what that symbolizes, probably their love for fruit and nature.
Spaceman on it or something?
They're moving away from the spaceman and the whales. Remember, they started with the whale. Well, actually, they started with a frog back in 2010. Then they moved to the whale. Then they moved to the spaceman with the balloon. And now I think they're onto the raspberries.
Well, I think the most important thing about this is this has the power of an Alienware PC.
In here.
In here. This tiny little brick has the power of an Alienware PC. Yes.
Comparatively. So,
comparatively, of course.
That is incredible. I mean, you've got all different types of I/O, everything you could ever imagine right here in this little brick. And look at that. It just clips right on. Look, I could even clip this on right here. You just wear it like that. Alienware on your body. I mean,
that looks stylish.
This is incredible. This is incredible.
You're going to be the best looking person when you walk around with this thing. I mean, look at this. That looks like a power brick almost.
Power brick of some sort. Oh, it's detachable. You could get multiples of them if you need.
So you can just hop swap out power bricks, it looks like.
Look like this has another one. So this is nice.
I like the color choice.
This is nice so you can find it if you drop it on accident. I think they said this thing has over 48 hours of battery life with one charge.
And that little battery?
Full use,
that is
48
amazing.
hours. And it's pretty light fairly for a battery.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you're not going to feel that at all on your waist.
Yeah, so this is
awesome.
This is incredible. Should we go ahead and try it on?
Yeah, let's get to it.
Let's try it on.
Would you like to try it on first?
I mean, I flew it all the way here, and I didn't even get to see it or try it on, so yes, I think I would. Okay. They'd say that it's really, like, easy to use, which is one of the best things about it.
We're looking good there.
Is it on?
Oh, it's on. No, you want to click on?
Have I turned the device on yet?
I think we're going to need to do that in a little bit. I think everything is voice powered, though. So if you just say, like, power on.
Okay. This is pretty easy. I thought the pucks and the cables would get in the way, but they're not that bad, actually. I mean, once you get the device on, it almost kind of guides you on how to get everything on.
That looks amazing on your head.
Thank you. Magic Leap on. Magic Leap on. That's got to be something trickier than that. All hail Rony Obovitz. Okay, it worked. Holy moly. Can you see my eyes right now?
No.
You can't? I think I just entered a new dimension. Okay, wait.
See sound?
See sound?
Yeah, can you see my voice?
Talk loud.
Hello, hello. This is Paul. All hail Magic Leap.
There was supposed to be a totem or something.
Why don't you give the camera a look at that too?
Alright, so this is the top model 2.4 gigahertz. Gigahertz, that's 24,000. We would show you, but we signed NDAs that we wouldn't show what you're actually seeing through the headset. But I can try to relay it for you. Paul, go ahead and stand right there. I'm gonna put a new Paul right next to Paul. Okay, I've duplicated Paul. I'm putting Paul next to him. Okay, there's a Paul right next to the Paul, and I'm gonna turn around and you move around, and I'll see if I can tell you which one's really you. The Paul right here is the real one.
No, you're wrong.
Now a little bit more serious, sorry. We were a little overcome with emotion.
Alright, so now seriously, how's the FOV on the device? Better than HoloLens? Worse than HoloLens?
I read somewhere that it has something like a VHS at half arm's length. Do we happen to have a VHS on? Okay.
It's expensive, dude.
Yeah, that totem's like $1,000.
All right, we've got the Mystic Knights of Ternanog on VHS here. Okay, I think that's about my FOV. Wait, let me adjust something. Let me move it up closer to my face. Oh my god, it's getting closer. The FOV is huge. Huge. I mean, I can still see holograms that I set out.
That is incredible.
All right, Paul's gonna go ahead and try on the headset, and he's gonna give us his first impressions. Go ahead.
This is truly incredible.
It's incredible. It's mind-blowing.
Yeah, my mind is blown. I've never experienced anything like this in my entire life.
I've tried multiple augmented reality headsets, almost everyone on the market right now, and this one is mind-blowing.
This is literally the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
So give us your first impressions. I know people are really curious about the light field display.
That's interesting because I actually wrote some notes about that. So if you'd like, I can read off my notes about it.
Before you do, let me explain. So the light field display has been very confusing for a lot of people. If you go on their website, it's got like almost some corporate jargon, but almost tech jargon that doesn't make sense to a lot of consumers or tech enthusiasts. So we thought we'd try it out. Paul's wrote down some notes. He can hopefully explain it to to you in a way that makes sense, understand what he's trying to say as if it was you guys trying it. Go ahead and tell us your thoughts.
These light field photonics generate digital light at different depths and blend seamlessly with natural light to produce lifelike digital objects that coexist in the real world. This advanced technology allows our brain to naturally process digital objects the same way we do real-world objects, making it comfortable to use for long periods of time. That's the easiest I could have made it.
It's so simple. I don't know. Now everybody knows, they can understand what light field display actually is and what it means in your everyday today life. So also like something about eye tracking, right? They mentioned
I can control the entire device with my eyes right now. Like right now I'm just, oh yeah, I'm like on the web right now. Just
like this? You're just moving your eyes?
Yeah, I'm just scrolling. Oh, yep, I'm just moving my eyes.
All you have to do is move your eyes?
All I have to do is move my eyes.
Are you going through a web browser?
Yeah, I'm going through Google right now. And I just clicked on one of our videos, and I can even scroll through the video with my eyes.
So how do you click? Do you just blink?
Yeah, it's just a quick blink.
A quick blink, or what's a long blink do?
I don't know. It just didn't do it.
That's smart. That's smart that they built that in, because some people blink really long.
It's amazing. My mind is blown. Whoa.
Holy crap, what was that?
You guys heard that too?
Yeah,
oh my
crap.
God. Jesus.
It's getting closer. What the? Where is it coming from?
Oh, over there.
Turn it off, quick, turn it off. What was that?
Holy crap.
It sounded like a giant T-Rex coming our way.
It sounded like it was in the room right here. That was insane. I knew they said they had good audio, but I didn't know they meant that good. That was impressive.
I mean, everyone in the room heard it come from this tiny device? That is amazing.
That's those 4 dimensions I was telling you about, man. It was probably a T-Rex from the 4th dimension entering our dimension.
Holy cow.
Alright guys, so that's the first demo of the Magic Leap 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to do some HD up-close shots. Austin's going to get some really beautiful shots of it for you guys so you can really get the detail, analyze everything. We're not going to edit out any sensitive I/O. It's going to be just completely right there for you. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut to our final thoughts about the device. Don't miss that. That's going to be very important. We're going to sum up all of our thoughts about the Magic Leap 1 and our experience with it. So that's our Magic Leap test video. In all seriousness, guys, we're really excited for Magic Leap. We're excited for what they're going to do in the field, and we're excited to see what they bring to the market. We've been waiting for a long time, and we're really pumped.
We didn't really mean to roast Magic Leap as much as we did. We just ran with what we had and what a lot of people online were saying. And this was kind of more for our 2,000 subscribers, and we just want to thank everyone who has subscribed so far, and we want to encourage people to keep subscribing. We love doing this stuff, and you guys are the reasons that we still do it.
This just signals how 2018 is going to be a big year for MR. So, I mean, we're the leading mixed reality channel on YouTube, MR Augmented Reality on YouTube right now. So go ahead, subscribe, share with your friends if you guys are excited for Magic Leap or if you thought this was funny. We apologize again. We didn't mean to roast anybody hard. No hard feelings. We just vamped a lot of that, just stuff off the top of our head, and that's what we came up with. So we're super excited for Magic Leap. Don't hate on us, Magic Leap. We're terrified of you, but we love you.
Don't hurt us.
Real quick before we're out of here, we're gonna have some Magic Leap videos coming up pretty soon, mostly just an analysis of the actual tech, not any of this junk, like the actual tech that they're going to put into it. It's really exciting, some of the stuff they're implementing. We're gonna be doing a video about all of the analysis on everything of that. Everything we made a joke about has been something they've mentioned, said here or there, so we're just poking a little fun at it. If you guys enjoyed this, comment your thoughts about Magic Leap down below. Don't be too harsh. I guess it's your turn. Go ahead and roast us Magic Leap. No. Comment, like, subscribe, and we will catch you guys in 2018.
Woo!